Good morning, gang. Are we ready? Hit that like button, say what's up in the chat. We're gonna absolutely pop off today. Our analysis has been on point the entire week. Say what's up, guys. Put it in the chat. Let me know where you're trading in from. Alright, say what's up in the chat. Our analysis has been on point. We've been killing it. I hope you guys are focusing on the process and not just trying to push through trades. I hope you guys have been working hard. Dan from the UAE, what's good, Dan? How we doing? We're just gonna break these charts down, Dan, and we're gonna smash today. No BS over here. We're not gonna go for those who promote courses and stuff like that. There you go. Where I'm from India. We don't fall for the fake stuff. Let's see what's good in today's session, eh? Let's absolutely smash today's session now. According to yesterday's analysis, we've nailed our analysis day after day. We've nailed it again and again, so let's go. I'm ready for an absolute smasher of a session. Let me know what you guys are trading, what you guys are looking at, because today we're going ham. We're going crazy today. We're going wild. Wow, we've retraced the entire way. Let's go. Dan, exactly, Nama Bangalore. Let's go. Always, man. Bangalore boy out here. Doing my thing, eh? Guys, let us know where you're tuning in from. Amazing. Alright, let me know where you guys are tuning in from so we just have a good idea of what you guys are doing, what you guys are trading. And just like Dan, maybe we might find out you're somewhere close by. Guys, refresh your stream so you're brought up to speed. Refresh your stream so you're brought straight up to speed. Beautiful. Okay, so let's see. That was the resistance we were looking at. Man, GJ came right down into this support area, tapped it, and we've already come most of the way back up. But we're gonna fix that. We're gonna see how can we analyze these adequately. I want to know what was the reason for that move down. Let's just quickly take a look at it. 4 hours ago. When was this GJ drop? Yep, that was the last 4-hour candle. Iran nuclear facility is unharmed. Israel conducted airstrikes on a target in Iran. Okay. Oil perks up on talk of a strike in Iran. Okay, so it's basically this news that created these spikes in the market, which is alright. There are always going to be various stimuluses in the market. We focus on what we do best and we don't fall for the noise, right? The noise is not part of what we look at. What we're looking at clearly is just pure price action market structure. You can see what GJ is doing. We're trading in this range, right? Who would want to be stuck in this range? So make sure you're looking for something clear in the markets today. Let's look for something very clear in the markets. What I normally like to do is just go to my daily time frame. Okay, let's just stick to our daily. We're going to look at all the pairs that we look at this morning. Let's look at all the pairs that we look at this morning. What is the daily telling you? Where can the daily go? Remember, it's Freaky Friday. Where can the daily possibly go with what we're looking at? Okay, just take a look at it and let's analyze it. What is the daily doing? Right? Gold daily, what are we doing? Are we rejecting this area again? Was that spike just plain and simple market structure on the not market structure, was it purely the fundamental news that moved that spot? Right? So take a look at it. Take a look at it. Understand what's going on. Let's look through our pairs. GU, we've tapped into this support now. Very well and good. What did we do previous time we tapped into the support? Alright, we went up, no problem, nice. So now we get a look at it. What is the levels from which we're going to look at? There you go. We're using our theory of the quarter points. 1.24 to 1.375. Alright, you see that? We tapped previously, we were right there. Right, so that's on the daily time frame. Euro USD, daily time frame. Let's take a look at it. Same as previously. This is the similar trade I looked at a few days back, and I was in this potential that we have out here. 1 second, let me just mark this up. Oops. There you go. And we're going up to 2.5. Alright, look at this. Euro USD creating a support right over here. Right, so daily looks like we have potential to continue up. Plain and simple market structure, guys. No BS. Refresh your stream, come up to speed. We're breaking all these pairs down. You can ask me in the chat if you want me to break down a certain pair. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get today absolutely started. Gold. I already told you guys, are we rejecting that zone? Do we have potential to come back down? This is the previous support that we're looking at on gold. Let's look at US 30. Yesterday we nailed the analysis on US 30. And this is exactly what I called out a few days back on US 30. You can go back on our live streams and see what I called out on US 30. It's the exact same things, guys. You gotta look at how does the market repeat itself again and again. Oops. Let's do this. Look at that. Look at how price perfectly came, tapped into this region, and is looking to continue. Look at the daily time frame, perfect push into this zone. Right now we're retracing back. Let's see what happens. The main goal is to find the most evident point. Okay, NZD USD is also support zone, is going to up. Both currencies are weak. Alright, let's see. We're gonna go to NZD USD. I think I have that. Yeah, AUD USD. Yep, I have a few of those up here which we're gonna take a look at. Awesome. So you can see NAS 100. Yesterday I called NAS 100 out sells all the way from up here. It was completely called out, the NAS 100 sells. Amazing NAS 100 sells. Even SPX 500 sells right over here. SPX 500 sells from the top, completely called out. What's good? Pragyan, how we doing? Praveen, what's good? Come on, let's go, guys. Let's go. Come on. Put it in the chat. Where are you tuning in from and what you're trading? Alright. Let me know where you guys are tuning in from. Let's go. Okay, so looking at it, daily time frame, yet again, we've tapped into these support demand zones. Right? There you go. You can use my link in chat. I use FP Markets, one of the best in the game in India, in my opinion. Here, this is our support zone, which we've tapped into. Let's see, 5K has been prominent for us, but we're gonna mark 950 because look at the way we tapped into 950. Yes, Pragyan, multiple times with multiple different companies. If you guys want to see the ones I'm funded with, 1 second. Here, this is my Forex funds. This is funded next. This is the Forex funder. You can scan it. I've been funded with the Forex funder with 200k accounts. Let me just get the other one. You can scan the QR code on the screen just to see whether it's legit or not. Drive. Which date is this? 2023 December. I've been funded with the Forex funder a couple of times. Okay, unable to find the other ones, but here you can see, you can scan the QR code again, like I said, to figure out whether it's legit or not, and with the funded next. And my Forex funds, unfortunately, you guys know the situation. But yeah, but guys, keep in mind, I'm gonna be doing a review on these prop firms. Most of these props, I do not like the fact that a lot of these prop firms are now scamming us, right? I'm in talks with a certain prop firm which is very famous, of course, but we're not gonna settle for these low prop firms. Like right now in the chat, let me just remove that. 1 second. Remove. Don't use the prop that just came up in the chat. I'm telling you guys, we're gonna absolutely have our way with the markets today. I don't fall for any of these prop firms, then don't do proper payouts that don't have a proper A-book trader. What do you think about funding Frontier? I don't think funding Frontier is a good idea. I don't think funding Frontier. So guys, when y'all are choosing a prop firm, make sure to choose a firm that A-books your trades. Okay? So even if it's 50% of your trades, you want a firm that is going to A-book your trades. A firm that does not A-book your trades is a firm which is purely running on challenge fees, right? Would you want to be part of a firm that is running purely on challenge fees? No, because that model is unsustainable. What happens when a prop firm which is running on challenge fees has profitable traders, right? What happens when an individual makes $30,000? They need to sell that many challenges to be able to pay you. So that's why I'm saying, 1 minute, let me just remove these. delete that, delete that, delete that. Awesome. There you go. I've removed all the prompts for funding companies at the moment. Because I don't want you guys to get scammed. I'm not going to allow anyone in my community to get scammed. We're not going to fall for these scammy traders. No. Scammy firms. No. It's not what we do. Okay, so let's continue looking at the other pairs. Let's go on the daily. Very nice. We've tapped into this zone. AUD/USD looks like we're going to continue up. This is the previous level which we popped up from. 750. Very nice. Alright, marking this support zone. What is your best setup? What do you mean by that? What do you mean my best setup? Is it like my trade setup? Or what are you talking about? Like my funding setup? So daily looks like we're going to continue up in my opinion. NZD/USD we've tapped into support. Guys, hit that like button so more people can see our stream, can join us. We want to help the community. We don't want to be selfish with what we got. Alright, let's go. NZD/USD definitely looks like a decent buy. Very nice. We've tapped into the support. Looks like we could get a 40 to 50 pip retracement, right? Okay, so let's look into that. AUD/JPY daily time frame, huge rejection, but what happened is we took out this previous low, which I do not like. Right over here, you see this? We took out that low. I do not like that now. So that's why I'm going to stay away from AUD/JPY. I'm not going to really look into it. EUR/JPY. Let's just mark that resistance. Daily time frame is not giving me enough information, so I'm really not looking at taking a trade on EUR/JPY. USD/JPY daily time frame, we have this minor resistance and we came down to that level, but nothing interesting otherwise. USD CAD, I call the trade out from the top over here. We were in this trade, which moved in our favor a good 70 pips if I'm not mistaken, 80 pips almost. Yeah, we were in this trade right from the top, right over there. Yeah, almost 80 pips up in profit. And now it looks like it's gonna continue. Praveen, USD CHF is going down. Let's look at it. Oh, USD CHF has made some massive moves. I wouldn't say it's going down just yet. So firstly, I'm gonna have to mark my zone on USD CHF to find out what we're rejecting. Okay, so now that we know we're rejecting this zone, let's see. What I would say is you want to be cautious, because look at the zone we came and just snapped into on USD CHF. Look at this. Look at the zone we came and tapped into. Very important level. I don't think USD CHF is going down until we break this zone. So don't sell until we short this. Wouldn't it not make sense if we were to wait? Just imagine this, okay? Wait for price to break the market structure. Right now, all we're doing is moving on up. First, break the market structure, retest the previous zone which we fell from, and then look at continuation. You get what I mean? We're being sharp and shrewd about it. We're going to use the same thing that happened last time. The same model. We're going to copy it and wait for it to play out here. If not, we're in a buyer's market. Okay? If not, we're in a buyer's market. Give me a 2nd. 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 All right, make sense, Praveen. Right, you want to put yourself in a good position, right? So if you want to put yourself in a good position, you can't do. You have to kind of repeat what has already happened before. Many people, they make the mistake of not repeating what has happened before, and then they pay the price. All right, let's go, come on guys, like and share that. So if you find this valuable, let's hit that like button, let's hit that subscribe button. Not as good. How's your trading week been? Not as good. Okay, no problem. Some weeks are good, some weeks are not so good. Okay, we work with whatever we got, but now we're gonna go back to the potential trades we could take today. Let's see. The problem is we broke again. We broke this support right over here. We're tapping into this previous support area which we continued up from, but again we're waiting for this break of market structure. What happened? We broke this high, retested and continue. So what we're gonna wait for? A break of this high, which I'm gonna call it the previous market structure high. Wait for a retest of 750. Look for a retracement. Make sense? Simple. I'm keeping it super simple for you guys. Right? Most understandable. Trading should be easy. Trading should be understandable. Right? When we overcomplicate it with this concept, that concept, here, there, we're gonna mess it up. When we keep it simple, things change. So let's see Euro USD. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna wait for? Euro USD, we already changed the market structure once over here. I think Euro USD is good to go up at the moment. But I feel potentially, like, for me personally, the stops are a little huge. I don't like putting big stops, especially on Euro USD and some of these pairs. So what has happened over here on Euro USD was, this was the previous market structure that we broke, right? So we would have technically wanted a trade from down here. We broke this previous market structure high and price is retraced back. So could we have taken an entry? Yes, we could have. Could we look for an entry? Yes, we can. Let's see how it works. Daily time frame is looking very convincing to continue up, in my personal opinion, but again, it's each man for himself in this market. Let's look at gold. This is the previous resistance which we are rejecting. I personally feel like the daily on gold would potentially continue down, but in order to think such things, let's first mark it out. My QP 92 2392500, potentially up to 23424. Okay, is that good? Let's just slowly go down the time frame and see whether we can bring this up. Yep, bring that up a little to 95 2395. We hold that as our rejection zone. We're gonna look for shorts on gold. Okay, we're gonna look for shorts on gold. Let's see what happens. Previous time frames, let's see. Right over here you have this resistance zone that has come up over here. So again, let me actually bring this back down. There you go. So that's what I would technically be looking at on gold. Let's see, can we get a nice little short on gold? Oh, the short would have been up here at this engulfing candle right over here. The stops are a little big on gold, so make sure you guys are looking for the right things. How many of y'all are looking at similar analysis? Put it in the chat. Or how many of y'all want me to look at a different pair? Put that in chat. I'm willing to look at any pair you guys want me to look at. Just put it in the chat. We got this. We got this. Come on. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Tell me which pair you want me to show you my analysis on. We're gonna absolutely change it up right over there. Beautiful. So tell me. What's good? What are you guys looking at? You guys got this. Guys, we're not gonna follow any of those fake forex marketers. We don't like forex marketers. We want to be in a community which has nothing to do with our forex marketers. Nothing to do with them. Right? I do not trust any of them. You can put a name in the chat and I'll tell you whether we trust them or not. Whether they're legit or not. Because I primarily don't think most of them are legit. I do not trust any of the forex gurus that we see around here. Even many of the forex live streams, nah, don't follow that. Don't follow the forex live streams. It's not to spread hate, but there's so much of there's too many scams in this space. There are too many scams in this space. We don't need those scams. We don't need to be part of those scams. We wanna, you know, for us guys, we're legitimately trying to make something out of this. For us guys, we're legitimately trying to work hard at this. And there are people making money of scamming others. No, thank you. Not part of our group. We're not gonna settle. We're not gonna settle for any of those things. Not gonna settle. 15 engulfing. But the stops are rather huge. 80 pips on a 15-minute candle. No, thank you. But we have the potential to continue down. We have massive potential to continue down. If you guys aren't subscribed already, you guys know what to do. Please do subscribe. Hit that bell notification icon. What's it? We're trying to help as many people as possible get out of scams, not get into scams. EU. I think I would prefer EU if we were to tap another time. I'm looking at that particular potential, but the other potential on EU is also to continue breaking down. That is also a potential. Also a potential. Engage in the chat, guys. Feel free to engage in the chat. Let's take out these highs, in my opinion. There we could put. Euro USD is looking a little nice. It would have been nice to be in gold, but it's alright. Just be patient and wait. Let's see. Are you guys in any positions? Any trades at the moment? Or are we still looking? Still looking for trades. Interesting. Anyone buying gold? Anyone selling gold? Tell me. What do you guys? What positions are you guys in? What positions you guys in? Let's see. Let's wait and watch. Iris, what's good? I took Asian gold buy with 1% TP hit and done for the day. Alright. Ooh, Asian was a nice one. If you had to hold it, that would have been a lot of percentages. Crazy. It's all this Iran war and stuff like that that, you know, makes the market a little more volatile. Let's see. I think some of them are looking to continue buying gold. Possibilities are there. The possibilities are endless. Let's see. I thought of holding, but you know, because of the war stuff, I don't want to be greedy. Yep. Yep, the thing is, you need to really revise your trading plan, in my opinion, Iris. I really want you to revise your trading plan. Because I want you to find out how can you be in these positions without missing these positions. How can you figure out that you can hold these trades a little longer? So let's see. Just keep trading simple, but go look at it. Let's go. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see, guys, put it in the chat if you want me to look at any particular trades. I will do this on the weekend when I will revise my trades. Good. Revise your entire trading strategy. See how you can try to improve on it. How can you improve on your trading strategy? That's the main goal. Because if you are able to improve on it, things will change. Things will change. Let's go. All right. Mm-mm. Euro USD going up, very nice. Alright, check Bitcoin for us. Let's take a look at it. This week's price action on gold was very sketchy, trust me. Rest of the days were just observing, that's good. Let me take a look at Bitcoin. Give me a second. Alright, let's see. BTC Euro USD. So BTC USD. BTC has tapped into the support area, which should mean that BTC should continue up. That's what it should mean. It should mean that it's going to continue up and give us that move. Yeah. It should mean that it should continue up. Yeah, BTC looks like we could continue up. Let's just check gold for a minute. This is what I was looking at on gold. Continuation to the downside after rejecting the zone. There was a potential right over here to continue down, especially on this daily candle, which looks like we're gonna flip it and continue down. The potential is there. Would I personally take a 50 pip trade on a 15-minute time frame? 50 pip being my risk? Not really. But that potential was there. If it was 25 pips, also it would have been okay to take. But it didn't. It didn't. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And also guys, don't fall for all those fake marketers. That's the whole point of today's session. Don't fall for the fake marketers. We do not like that. We do not like fake marketers. We don't fall for that. They can't trick us. They can't do anything. It's our ultimate decision what we want to do and how we want to do it. Let me know what positions you guys. Was this week profitable and what positions are you guys in? Okay, let me know those two things. What positions are you guys in? And what exactly are y'all trading? Are y'all up for the week or are y'all down for the week? What's happening? Mansweki, what's good, man? Trading gold and NAS 100 up for the week. Fantastic. Week was good, up for the week. No position for now. Amazing, amazing. Where you guys tuning in from and what are you trading? Other than the guys who have already responded. Thank you for that. Subscribe, Ali Reza. What's good? Thank you. Welcome to the family. Let's get it. Let's see, gold looks good to continue. Goldie, how much more can we continue? How many trades I took this month? Now that is a question. Let me tell you. This month. $17 trades this month. 17 positions this month. Some of it was scale-ins, so I technically can't call it 17. Okay, wait, let me just avoid the scale-ins. Okay. 1. Yeah, about 7 trades this month. About 7 trades this month. So most of my trades I scale into the position, so that's why they look a lot bigger than they should. I mean, it looks like there's a lot more positions than there is. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it. I took 5 trades, 2 loss, 3 wins. Loss was of 1% and 0.5%. And win was 1%. Interesting. Very good. Very good. That's good. Fantastic. Others also can tell us like what Iris just told us. Alright guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let's see what trades are you guys looking at. And is anyone in GU longs, EU longs, anyone in GJ longs or gold shorts? Gold, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. That's like 80 pips straight up. Gold is beautiful. Your trading style is swing type. Yeah, I would say I don't even know what it is like. It's like I'm a weekly trader, I would say. So sometimes my positions last a day. Sometimes my positions last a couple of days. But my positions will never go into the weekend. I hope you get what I mean. It's within the week that I do what I do and I close what I close. Mansweki, as I have always said on this place, that we have to first send the analysis before it. We cannot, in our Telegram chat, we always send the analysis before and then you can send the analysis after. You know me, I try to keep it as 100 as possible, so please do the same. Because it's very easy to send post analysis, right? So that's why I don't encourage people to send in post analysis. I always encourage people to be accountable for their trade ideas. So that's how we make sure that our community is a lot better than the others. Let's go. Okay. Look at gold. Beautiful trade that is. I'm more of a scalper. I don't like holding. But man, Swiki, sorry, Iris. I'll tell you one thing about holding is you become a lot more disciplined. In other styles of trading, I don't see a potential to get even more disciplined. But with this, I see a lot more discipline personally. I'm also working with a company on a trading journal, guys, which is absolutely out of this world, which I will show you guys in some time. But it's something that I look to doing a lot. Oh, this was my this was my Feb 2024, 2 months back when I got funded with 100k, and this was December when I got funded with the other 100k. Here were all the accounts that I passed. 4 months straight, 26% gain, following the consistency we look at. And right over here you can see, I've mentioned it, my win rate is 50 to 55% at max. But just focusing on the A+ setups with positive risk to reward, absolutely. Discipline is required in trading. I mean, discipline is following your rules, your playbook, your stop, your TP. Yep, exactly. So if any of you guys want to scan my certificates, feel free to do so. And you can see. I don't even know what shows up when we scan it. I think it takes us to the credential page that shows it's legit. Yep. And it'll show you both my certificates. You can scan it and it'll show you both my certificates if anyone has a doubt. Amazing. Amazing. So let's go, let's keep going. What do you say? For me, it's like high win rate, low RR, peaceful sleeps at night. But I'll tell you what, Iris, when you switch that out and you change it to high win rate, high RR, that's when you see the money start flowing in. That's when you see things start changing, right? The most important thing is to be as disciplined to increase the win rate, to increase the risk to reward. I do not believe that, like a lot of people do, 1:1 risk to reward, right, with a apparently high win rate. I do not believe that they are able to scale their accounts, because I did that for years and I couldn't scale accounts. Yes, could I get funded? Yes. Could I make money? Yes. Okay, but I couldn't scale an account to a vast level. In order to scale an account, what I would say is you personally need to invest the time and effort to firstly increase the discipline, to increase the trade setups, so that's like increase the win rate and also increase the risk to reward. Guys, hit that like button. If you're here tuning in, hit that like button, say what's up in the chat, let us know where you're trading in from. It's good. Let's see. All these, a lot of pairs right now at supports and resistances. Euro JPY tapped straight down into support income. How you revise your trades and plan to make it to hide win rate? Maybe I can do the same this week. So the way I revise my trade is I go and mark my trade back on TradingView, and then I look, okay, what are the confluences I can add to increase my win rate, right? Why did I fail in this trade? Why did I take an L in this trade? So then I analyze it. I see, okay, so this confluence I see across the board which I missed over here. Add it down, write it down. This week with my private group, we added a second confluence. Like, so we have 4 confluences that we primarily look for. We added another one, which is the 5th confluence, because that will help us increase our win rate, right? That will help us increase our hit factor. So that's personally what we're doing right now in our private group, and we're looking to keep moving forward by reviewing the same things. Confluences are everything. Confluences are everything, guys. You have to see how can I keep improving my confluences, right? How can I keep improving my trades that I take? Look at this beautiful trade on gold that's come down. Look at that, 70 pips easy. If you had to take it on the 5-minute time frame from the top, I think that should have been almost 100. Yeah, 96, 97 pips right into support. Beautiful trade that was. What's the one thing that you guys would like someone to do in order to help you with your trading? Tell me. What's something that you would ask me personally to do to help you guys with trading? How can I help the community, and in what way can I help the community? Tell me. Put it in the chat, guys. What is something I could do firstly to build trust in the community, to show the community full transparency? Secondly, what can I do to help the community genuinely? Because I'm completely against most of these, you know, gurus and the way they do their trading, and the way most of them are fakes, in my opinion. I do not believe that most of the forex gurus are legitimate, and like I've said before, I do not believe that most of the forex live streamers are legitimate. Do not believe it at all. I know one live streamer who I've asked continuously to show me, like, they've done a lot of challenges live, okay, but show me the certificates, show me the win rate, show me the past accounts. Nothing. They will always hide from the fact that they can't show that stuff. Always. And for me, I can keep it as open as possible right over here. You can see my entire trading history for an account. You can see the amount of challenges I've passed with just my own personal trading. You can see this was literally in the early days of my forex funds. Yep. You can identify Trade Sharp. Trade Sharp, I like Trade Sharp. Thumbs up to Trade Sharp. He's a good trader. I like watching his streams. He's a good trader. He's a decent trader. Yeah, I personally don't trade like him or look at things like him, but I think he's a good trader. Guys, hit that like button. What's my strategy? Price action. Trade with Monty. Trade with Monty was my mentor, Ryan. So Trade with Monty, I know Trade with Monty personally. The reason why I started doing what I'm doing is because of Trade with Monty. He's a fantastic guy. He's what taught me my entire fundamentals in trading. I've messaged him a couple of times. You know, I've been in his community before. He's an amazing individual. He's one of the most real traders, I will tell you, that exist. One of the most real traders. But I love Trade with Monty. Yep. I love Trade with Monty. Yeah, he's one of the best. He's one of the OGs in the industry, firstly, but yeah. I learned with Trade with Sharp, and yes, I have learned from Chris myself. I'm still in his community. Beautiful, beautiful. That's amazing. What Trade Sharp was in Monty's community? Okay. Yeah. I mean, Monty did the whole thing of leaving the like the entire live stream space, the social media thing to to just enjoy life and trading. And I think that was one of the best decisions that Monty made. Because I personally think that's something that's essential, right? Trade Sharp is fantastic. Yeah, I like Trade Sharp too. My strategy, guys, is price action. We look at pure price action and we keep moving forward. USD CAD sells I had called out a couple of days back. Plain and simple price action yet again. Looking for interesting zones, looking for the way price is setting up at those zones and taking trades on the impulses, looking for proper confluences and confirmations. Yesterday I called the SPX 500 trade all the way from up here. We took the trade coming down. SPX was fantastic. NAS 100 I called out, but I personally didn't take the trade on NAS 100. But again, NAS 100, fantastic trade. Price action is king, guys. I would tell you every single day, price action is the king. Price action dominates everything else. There's nothing else that comes close to price action. Nothing else that comes close. I've traded many different strategies. I've learned various different things, and one thing I'll tell you is everything led me back to price action. Every single thing led me back to price action. So if you were there earlier on in the live stream, you would have seen that this was the goal potential that I was looking at. It pushed almost 100 pips from that point, which would have been fantastic. That was the potential that I saw early on. Potentials are endless. All right. Let's see. Euro USD. We did shift the market structure on the H4, right when we took out this high and we retested. But let's see what happened. Price action and fundamentals. 1 second. Price action and fundamentals has made me profitable. I want to understand volume and how it relates to major structures. Yep, definitely seems interesting, but yeah, price action and fundamentals is the key. What I would say is fundamentals just accentuate price action in my personal opinion. So that's what I would say. Like many times, if we look at the high time frame, let's look at the daily time frame, right? You can see all these impulses, all these spikes. They don't look like they're doing anything other than what price action is showing, right? So that's why many times I've even held my trades through news, because I know that I'm following price action and market structure on the higher time frame, and many times news contributes to that. News contributes to the price action. So when you look at the major structures, has news done anything that is unrelated to price action? But when you look at it in the higher time frame picture, you'll see that it's just the same thing that had to be done with price action. That is the most the most essential thing for a trader to look at. Very essential. Let's see. Okay, put it in the chat, guys. Let's see how many of you guys are funded traders and how many of you guys are private equity traders. I just want to see. How many of you do what? Or how many of you are aspiring to get funded? Gold, beauty. Just look at that. Look at that beauty on gold. War seems unavoidable. I'm expecting a lot of USD strength. Yes, that's something I'm expecting too. Let's see. This whole Israel-Iran situation is a very interesting situation. We'll have to correlate on how that will translate into the markets, because normally war would tend to push gold up. Okay, so that's normally how it's supposed to work, that gold gets pushed up when war happens, right? Because when you look at it, if countries of the world go into war, and everything slowly starts getting destroyed, what's the only medium by which we can trade? You get what I mean? You would use precious metals like gold, so that would be the #1 investment that you'd want to go into. That's why investors move into gold when war erupts. But this war is particularly interesting because it's Israel and Iran. We need to see what would the interference be like, right? What's the interference going to be like? Who's going to intercept the pass? Who's going to jump the gun? How much longer? Let's see. How many safe haven? Yep, exactly. Funded, amazing. Warner's Way, fantastic. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button already. Amazing. So you're a funded trader. Who you funded with, Warner's Way? Tell me who you funded with. Okay, safe haven, top step 100k. Okay, top step, I've never really looked into them. Top step, topstep.com. You trade futures, or do they have both? So you're a futures trader. Nice. $23 million paid out since What's Apex? I think is the only other futures firm I know of. How much have they paid out? 9 million on the monthly. 148 million. Oh wow. Okay. They're doing some big numbers, guys. Adam, where am I from? I'm from India, Adam. Where are you from? Where are you trading in from, Adam? Where are you tuning in from? What are you trading, Adam? Nice. Let's just see gold. Gold moved 110 pips, guys. Let's see. I want to learn your trading style. I'm in the GJ by Adam is from Saudi. Amazing. Okay, Adam, shoot me a DM on Telegram. You can shoot me a DM on Telegram and I can show you my trading style, what I look for, the reason why I catch the trades I do catch. Right, so shoot me a DM and we will look into it. I'm in a GJ buy. Right now GJ buys are looking very nice, but I hope you're in a GJ buy from either here, this 500 level, 191500 level, or 19500 level. Those are the two levels I potentially see buys coming from. So yeah. Iris. Alrighty. Tell me what positions you guys are in, if you all are in any positions. Where you guys tuning in from? If you haven't hit that like button, guys, please do hit that like button. Mm-mm. 15 likes complete, let's go. Let's hit 25. Alrighty guys, I hope you guys are ready for an absolute fun weekend. Have a good weekend, guys. We'll be back here, same time, same place, on Monday, doing our thing. So for now, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And I will let you guys know on Monday what we're gonna do, but let me know. Okay, so don't forget to join up on Monday. Take it easy, fam, guys. Don't forget to support the channel. Click that bell notification so you know exactly when we go live on Monday. And yeah, if you guys want me to break down anything before I go now, use the chat immediately. Before I go now, 5 minutes. Use the chat. Tell me, do you want me to break down anything right now? If not, I'ma be on my way. I am unable to pass a funding account. Saksham. That means you don't have a profitable strategy yet, or you don't have the profitable discipline yet. Hence, you are unable to pass a funding account. Is there any passing service? What's the point in using a passing service if you don't have a profitable strategy? Saksham. What's the point in that? So don't ask for a passing service, ask for a profitable strategy, ask for a profitable mentor. Don't ask for a passing strategy. Come on, you're better than that. Learn to trade better rather than just asking for someone else to do it for you. I risk too much, so you found your problem. All these certificates don't come from passing services. These certificates come from dedication and commitment to the art. I risk too much. Definitely seems like it. If you're not able to pass it, then you're definitely risking a little too much. But forget risking too much. Do you have a profitable strategy to start with? It's easy to say you risk too much, but do you have a profitable strategy or not? Because without a profitable strategy, your risk is irrelevant. The point. So anyway, guys, don't over risk, don't overtrade. You guys need to figure out how can I be the best at what I do by refining the art and craft. You have Friday, Saturday, Sunday to refine the craft before coming back on Monday to get that confidence in investing the time, right? Saksham, I've learned from YouTube. Yeah, but have you learned the right things from YouTube? If you learn from YouTube, has YouTube made you profitable? Or are you learning the wrong things? Remember, on YouTube you learn a lot of things, but on YouTube you have to unlearn a lot of things. The process of becoming profitable is also the process of unlearning the bad things that you learn and learning new things. Not backtested my strategy. Congratulations. How do you expect to become profitable without backtesting? There's someone else putting in the time, effort, everything. They should be rewarded, right? So hit that like button, guys, if you think what I'm saying is true. If you think what I'm saying is what we have to do, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We're not wasting time out here. We're focusing. If you're watching internet YouTube marketers videos, pointless. Go and learn from internet education. Remember, marketers are only going to put out content that would entice you. They're not going to put out content which is actually valuable for you. Right? No one is gonna sell their secret to you. It's you who's got to develop a trading edge in the market. Okay? So, do you have a trading edge in the market. Sit down, backtest, look at the problems, stop asking for way out, stop asking for the easy route, stop asking for, like, many people ask for, can you do this for me, can you do that for me, what's the quickest way to make money? The quickest way to make money is by concentrating and putting effort into the one way you know how to make money. So if you know how to trade, that's one of the quickest ways to make money. But guess what? Quick money only comes after years and years of investment. Okay? So guys, take it easy. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna see you guys on the other side. All the best. Have a banger weekend. That's how we like it. This week was fantastic. We were able to smash out a whole ton of trades. Next week is gonna be. Next week can only get better. If you put in the time and effort, things can only get better. So take it easy. I will see you guys. Same place, same time, Monday. Ciao for now. Bye.